Very warm good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to this chemistry digital class. This is class 10th, and we are doing classification of element, chapter 5, in which we did Davenant right, Mendeleev's Newland's octave, Mendeleev's periodic table, which was the last topic. Mendeleev's periodic table has given us clear-cut information about how to classify the element on the basis of increasing atomic mass, but there was some limitations. So because of that, the limitations was be recovered by Moseley modern periodic table. So according to modern periodic table, or according to Moseley periodic table, modern periodic table, it consists of 18 group and 7 periods. First thing you need to understand that the property of element are periodic function of their atomic number. Okay, this was the first periodic table that was on the basis of atomic number, because whatever periodic table we studied in history of classification of elements, in those all periodic table, dear students, we found that the scientist was classifying element on the basis of atomic mass, where somewhere that was not fit, and there was some limitations. This was the first periodic table which was on the basis of atomic number. Now you know very well what is atomic number. It is number of proton present in the nucleus. Number of proton present in the nucleus. Okay, and this was the perfect classification. At present also we are following this classification, and this classification has given more and more information about the chemistry. Dear student, if you want to improve your chemistry, you must have knowledge about modern periodic table. So you can see here there are some lines this down, some lines are like this. It is like a common table, but little bit different than the normal table, because here some gap is there, you can see, and this is the proper portion of table where some column and groups are there. Now if you count total column, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. It means that 18 column which is called group, these 18 column called group, and these 7 periods called, these 7 rows called periods. Okay, so now the modern periodic table, position of isotope, it is clear. Position of nickel and cobalt is clear. Position of hydrogen is well explained, these were the limitations of modern Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so these all limitation of Mendeleev periodic table was clear in modern periodic table. So let's discuss in detail today's topic, that is modern periodic table. Okay, so dear student, in modern periodic table we are going to study about the proper classification of element on the basis of its atomic number. So this is the colorful table. That colorful table represent modern periodic table. So in this modern periodic table, you can see here total 1 to 18. These 18 column are there. These 18 column are called group, and 1 to 7, these 7 down the group is called period. So it means that basically we will say the column name we will tell group, and period that रो नेम वी विल सेट पीरियड. ओके, सो ये आपको याद रखना है कि रो को हम पीरियड बोलेंगे, और जो कॉलम होते हैं हमारे पास 18 कॉलम, दिस इज नेम्ड एज ग्रुप. So here some information is given in this box, dear students. First, before going to start to study the table, let's see whatever is this circle, gray circle or white circle, that is these are non-metals. These are giving, these elements are called non-metals. So now you found hydrogen is non-metal, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, these are pure non-metal. Okay, colorful, why I am calling colorful representation, because the color will give you idea whether these elements are metal, non-metal, metalloid, what are these. Okay, second, the green color, first group, you can see here, this is dark green. The dark green are called alkali metals. The name of these metals are alkali metals. If metal is there, it means that all of these elements are metal. So identify these: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are the example of alkali metals. Now this light blue, these are alkaline earth metal. It means that alkaline earth metal, it present, these are those metal which present in earth. Okay, this is the hint. Then after that, these violet color, these are your dark blue color, these are transition metals. transition metals transition metals. So आपको नाम याद रखना है. Now then, this orange color, these are lanthanide series. Lanthanide series mean orange color elements which are present in F block. So now I think you can you are getting confused that yes sir, these are orange here and here also one orange is there. Yes. So dear student, this part of periodic table is present under here in between this 57. Okay. There are 14 group 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 these columns are under this lanthanide, and 14 yellow color, these are actinide under this. Okay, dark yellow. So this is actinide. Then black color, these are noble gas which is not reacting. This yellow color is metalloid. Yellow color, all these elements are metalloid. Red color, these halogen, and these are other metals. This is called metalloids also, and these are unknown. Okay, so it means that now you came to know from these color combination, you come to know that why this table is colorful, because of these information. Okay, these are family name. You can see, like in your neighborhood, you can see the Sharma family, Rana family, Kumar family, Thakur family. Okay, similar way there is in periodic table some family. Alkali metal family, alkali metals family. This is group 1 is alkali metal family. Mean group 1 is alkali metal family. This is except hydrogen. Group 2 is alkaline metal family. Then these are transition metal family. Then these are lanthanide family. These are non-noble gas family. These are metalloid family. Then red color is halogen family. Okay, this red color is halogen family. Then these are other metals family, and some of these are non-metal. So this is giving, this color combination is giving some information about modern periodic table. So dear student, we studied that there are 18 groups, and down the group there are periods. Okay, so basically the periodic table is made up of 4 blocks. S block, if it is not visible, so I am writing S block. Here it is P block, here it is D block, here it is F block. Okay, so these are making groups, mean these blocks. Now total 18 groups. How many groups are there? 18 groups. These total 18 group divided into 4 blocks. The first block, as I said, S block. S block carry 2 elements. These first two. Okay, these first 2 group is group number 1, group number 2 is S block. Clear? Similar way, these are alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. Group 1 is alkali metal, group 2 is alkaline metal. And these last 6 is P block after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are called P block, and P block carry mostly metal, non-metal and metalloid. Okay, so these are called representative elements. Then group number 3 to group number 12, total these are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now count 2 plus 10 plus 6, total 2 plus 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So it means that 18 groups are there. So these 18 groups are called, these in between D block is called transition elements. Okay, now F block, which is kept in the down, these are called inner transition elements. Why it is called inner transition element, dear student? Because these inner transition elements found in between the transition elements in front of 6 and 7 periods. Okay, so इनकी जगह जो है वो इसके अंदर है. We are difficult to show this, so that's why we made it separately. So you need to draw periodic table. You need to learn how to draw periodic table, that I will tell you in live class. So the periodic table is very important, dear student, to draw. And after that we came to know okay, these particular elements are in this group S block. These particular elements are the member of P block. These particular elements are the member of D block, and these particular elements are the member of F block. As I told you, why it is called transition element, because it is found in between the lanthanide and actinide. Okay, so periods, how periods form, now pay attention here. How periods form, you just need to pay attention here. K shell, there are 2 electron. Now in ninth class you studied that there is 2 electron according to Bohr's, है ना? You studied that there is 2 electron in K, then 8 electron in L. Am I right? Hope so you remember that. Now you come to know today why K shall have 2 electron only. Because in front of K, first period, you can see, dear student, there are 2 element only, hydrogen and helium. There is 2 only. That's why K shell can accommodate only 2 electron. L shell can accommodate 2 times 8 electron. So it means that 2 plus 6. So you can see here 2 plus 6. It is 8. 2 plus 6. There is 8. So that's why it is 8. Then M have 18. So you can see here 2 plus 8, 10 plus 6, 18. N have 32. That is 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus, this is 2 plus 10 plus 6, 18 plus 14. 18 plus 14, 32. That's why N shall have 42. Okay, so these are according to Bohr's model periodic table. So now in next topic we will talk about upcoming topic, that is about modern periodic table, in which periodic properties of periodic table we will study. Then we will study general characteristics of each family. Then we will study how to construct the modern periodic table, dear student. So in recapitulation, if I will ask you how that periodic table has made in recapitulation, okay, so give me answer of this question. How many total elements are there at present, dear student? How many total elements are discovered at present? In this topic we studied 118. And 18 groups which we have made, 18 groups, 18 column. These are on the basis of, yes, these are on the basis of orbital SPDF block. And 7 periods are on the basis of, yes, orbits KLMN. And the modern periodic table is based on atomic number. So this is all about for today. Now tomorrow we are going to study about the periodic properties of modern periodic table. Okay, so till then, keep enjoying these digital classes. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.